I'm Stacy. Today I wanted to show you how to make scallop potatoes using cream soup. This recipe is warm, comforting, easy on the budget, and it's a little bit nostalgic for me. I was given this when I was a child, and then I ended up making it for my children when they were little, and it's actually been quite a few years since I've made it again because, well, we forget about things from the past, right? So anyways, I'm going to show you how to make this. It's really quick. We're going to start out with about 8 cups of sliced potatoes. Now you want the slices to be somewhat uniform. They don't have to be perfectly uniform, but somewhat close so that they cook around the same time. I'd say about 1/4 inch thick, but it doesn't have to be exact. And then we're going to add 2 cans of cream of mushroom or cream of chicken soup. If you have another preference, that probably would be just fine. I've tried it with both cream of mushroom and cream of chicken, and they work out pretty well. Okay. And then we're just going to give this a stir to kind of blend the mushroom soup in with the potatoes. Now, I grew up with this. I know some people put ham in theirs, and I've done that, but usually what we've done since I was little was take a package of hot dogs, slice those up, and throw this in here. I know it may sound kind of weird to some people, but give it a try. You actually might like it. Okay, once everything is coated, then we're going to add our milk to this. Now there is no specific amount. What we do is we're going to pour the milk in till it's about halfway up the potatoes. So you kind of just watch and make sure you don't go too high up. You just want it to be halfway up. That looks about right. We're going to give it one more little stir. Okay. At this point, you can put cheese or other items on top, like if you want to put some parsley in here, or, you know, like I said, cheeses, salt and pepper if you choose. And then you're going to go ahead and cover this, and then you bake it in an oven about 350 degrees. Now it takes about 2 hours to cook this so that everything's tender. And then once it's tender and once everything's done, take it out of your oven and let it sit on the countertop or on top of your stove for about 10 minutes before serving. This way it will start to thicken up. If you find that it's not thickened enough because maybe you added too much milk or something, just go ahead and add another can of cream of mushroom soup to it and give it a stir. And that will be it. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.